Level 5, the Elective Care Unit and PRI have been working exceptionally hard over the last year to remodel our surgical and orthopaedic wards and pathways. We have reinforced exceptionally high standards of infection control, ensuring social distancing guidelines are being adhered to. We have created green zone surgical specific pathways which have given patients reassurances they are safe while having elective surgery. We have created a hospital within a hospital. This has only been achieved through the hard work of all of our staff.